Want to know what happened to Cinderella after that night she left her shoe? She was hurrying up to get home to take her wig off. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am IAMDACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So we're still in Hallowig edition. I'm going to give you 5 minutes of me installing this wig. And yes, baby, I got it from Temu. Temu has this beautiful wig and I was so surprised. So let me go ahead and open this up and give you all the juicy details on this unit. So this unit came with 2 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back, and also the adjustable straps. She is very stretchy and we love a good stretchy wig. And this is a middle part unit. And as you can see, this is a 30-inch ombre color. So it's brown at the ends. I thought it was black, but it's brown. And this unit also comes with layers. So enough of all of that. Let's go ahead and get this started. I absolutely love this unit. During the installment, I forgot to put the concealer on, and that's what I'm showing you. Put the concealer in the part, and I'm just showing you guys that. But now this unit right here, absolutely love it. Like you don't even have to wear it 30 inches. You feel me? You can just cut it into like a little bob or, you know, something short. But overall, baby, this unit is a 10 out of a 10 for me. I love it. And it put me in the mind of a cheetah. So, okay. You see it? No, but seriously, I love this unit. I did put heat to it. I did not put my wax stick on it for a good reason, because I wanted that soft look and I didn't want it to be so heavy and caked up with wax. Now, I must say, you do have to be mindful. It is a synthetic wig, and yes, she does nap up. So the ends kind of did that while I was doing all of this. But overall, she's good. Put you a little oil in it and loosen her up, and you're in there, baby girl. But anyway, you guys, this is all I have for you. Thank you guys so much. If you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.